Okay, starting off, how to put together a D-cell motor. First we're going to start off with our wire. This one's already been trimmed back prior to it. We can work out as to how to trim it when we get to that part. Originally they would start out, you leave a good couple of inches right here for your length arm, and then you wrap the wire around the battery 10 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll do 2 more just for fun. You want to wrap it around anywhere between 8 to 12 times. Once you get it around, you want to get a nice good spread of your wings, your little lead ends, and you want them close to the same area on the wire coil, so that way when you go through, everything is pretty even and you don't have much of a wobbling issue with different weight distribution on your coil. This is a very important part, especially when getting it set up. Now, once you get it to this part, you would then trim the covering off of the wire, the insulation. You can then use either a multi-tool that has a wire cutter in it, and you can then trim it off, or use a wire stripper. Once the insulation has been removed from the ends, an important part is to take a Sharpie, and as you can probably see right here, we're going to cover one side of it with the Sharpie. Sometimes it doesn't always stick the first time, so you'll want to do at least 2 coats. Now that our coil is ready, let's put it to the side, and we'll get out a plastic cup that we're going to put our magnets on. I don't have a plastic cup, but this Tupperware is going to work just as fine. What we're going to do is take one of our brick magnets, put it on the bottom, take another brick magnet, put it on the top, and these sort of hold them in place so that way it doesn't go running off on you. Next, we're going to start putting a couple of rubber bands around the end of the cup or Tupperware in my case. Rubber bands are quite useful in holding on or holding up paper clips that we will be using to hold our spindle, or our electric coil, I believe is what they call it. Now, our paper clips that we're using are the jumbo paper clips, namely because we need